Knee pain is common with aging, but strength training is your best approach to try and prevent that and sort out your knee pain. In this video, I'm going to go through a few exercises that you can get started with pretty much at home with minimal equipment, just a chair, and I'm going to go with the most effective minimal dose. So this video is ideal for people who don't want to spend more than 5 to 10 minutes doing this 2 to 3 times a week. If you are suffering with knee pain, I have several other videos that can help you with that. This is for someone who wants to strengthen their knees in a proactive way to try and prevent knee pain and make their knees a little bit stronger. Hi, my name is Tommy Brennan. I'm the owner of the Pain and Performance Clinic based in Lucan in Dublin. Let's get straight into the exercises. So, at the most basic level, what you can start with is sit to stands. So if you are, not doing anything at all, starting with these is a good option. Pushing down through your feet and doing whatever your repetitions are able, whatever you're able for. It could be 10 reps or it could be 30 or 40 reps. And again, maybe doing 2 sets of that every second day is a good starting point. If you want to make that a little bit more advanced, going with a B stance, sit to stand, is the next option. So again, you sit down, 1 foot there, you're pushing more through this back foot, and you go like that. Again, in terms of the repetitions, that varies for people, but you should feel the muscles working hard. Always stop when you feel you could do maybe another 3 repetitions in reserve. As I'm doing this here now and I'm pushing through this back foot, I can feel this leg working harder. So let's start with whatever it is, 10 to 15 repetitions there. Then you sit down, change legs, push down through that foot, and do the same on that side. So there's your sit to stands and then your B stance, sit to stands. Then, again, if you just have a chair or something like that at home, hold on to a wall or something to help with balance. 1 foot out, put the other foot just back up on the chair, and then you're just going up and down like this. Okay, very little pressure through the back leg. And again, this works the front leg here. And then when you want to change, put the other foot there, and again, up and down like that. And if you do enough of those, that can certainly be quite challenging. 4th exercise to help is a lunge. So even if you want to put your hands here, step forward and push back. Now don't step out so far that you can't really get back up. What you want to be able to do is put intent through your front foot and push back up. So if you see my back knee, it's close enough to the ground, but you do have to bend your back leg. And again, pick a number, a starting point, let's go say 10, and then you would just change it onto the other leg, and that works the knees there in front. So there's 4 exercises that you can start with. If you're just starting, certainly take a day's break in between. Maybe start with 2 sets. Whatever repetitions you're doing, always leave 3 or 4 in reserve. You should feel some achiness and stiffness if you're just getting started. If they are too easy for you, add on a 3rd set and add on repetitions. If that's still too easy for you, we have another video on how to strengthen weak knees, which is a more advanced version of this, doing exercises in the gym. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us by commenting below and we'll get back to you. Thanks.